all of my political friend them wanna come here. Especially my labor right friend them were full of opinions and aggression. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is now considering the implementation of hate speech laws. I have another translation for you now, but listen what I'm have to say first.
We can address this issue of socialized violence, and that is going to be a direction of the government. We are going to mobilize, coordinate, and direct resources towards this problem of violence in Jamaica. It means we were going to have to deal with things like hate speech. It's not a feature yet in the Jamaican society, but you in the diaspora, many of you live in society where speech that deliberately targets violence at a group or a person is treated within law. In Jamaica, there's really no such thing. We have to consider that.
The man say he must consider implement hate speech laws. This simply means that you can be held significantly accountable for your opinions, and not just accountable if you say something and it is being addressed. It simply means speaking, not even against your neighbor, because we know say they don't care about the people. Speaking against the government. You see why him do to the people them way say things about him online, and him police find them immediately, but police can't really find criminals on a regular day, and put them on national TV to apologize, which is a breach of their constitutional right and their right to freedom of speech. But never mind that. Let me just put out some hate speech so before the law is passed. I hope the law now take into consideration retroactive hate speech. Yo, me never like that money. Yo, me no PNP for the simple-minded people them. Because apparently you feel like say somebody have to be a part of a particular party. Yo, the two party are colonial supporters. So why the fuck me if you support colonial supporters? Huh? But anyways, me not like the money. From me see how treat the people during COVID, something that was absolutely unnecessary. The laws that he held the people accountable to, $1 million for your mask. Me nah go ever forget what them do to we in a COVID time. Nah, blood clot, forget it. We don't can galang forget it. We nah forget on them line up all the way and repeat them and decide say them a go joke we up to suit the agenda of the elites. When they have we picking in a mask to suffocate, and if we not take them joke, we can't keep we job, and they come out with job for jobs. The blood clot, how enough if you get that? When the dunce no blood clot, me I go all in another one. Watch out. Hate speech there. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is not just in the business of attacking people through heavy taxation and ignoring the many frauds that's going on in our country, but he's also now attacking the people's opinion. Therefore, you, Mr. Labor Right Man, will love get aggressive and spew your opinions out there. All of that have to go stop. You will no longer be entitled to your opinions nor views politically, religiously, and we know how no love load up the Batman them socially. Whatever ego boost you get from that, whatever satisfaction you get from that, you will no longer be able to do it. This is a slippery slope. I'm hoping enough people see it. But let me tell you this here, Mr. and Mrs. Labor Rights supporters, if you speak against me, and I have evidence that you have spoken against me in a very unfavorable manner, then no say you go get a court subpoena pussy hole. But that for when the law pass.